Hey guys, this is Amma from Referrals Favorite video for of course your preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox wireless charger, that is Rega ARC400. So this is type C wireless charger which I bought it from my LG G8x, which I bought recently in my big billion days. So let me just unbox it first. Yeah, and before that I just bought it from Amazon and I bought it for 999. After discount it's around 900. ARC is present, and Rega QC certified, QS certified, sorry, wireless charging pad and everything. So on back we have, it supports 10 watts for LG and Samsung phones, iPhone 7.5 watts and others, QI enabled phone 5 watts, and AirPods Galaxy Buds it supports 2.5 watts. So this is what it's written here, you can check it. And the MRP was 1500 but I got it for 999. So let me just open this. So guys, this is what the charging pad, let me keep this aside. And you get some important notice. Yeah, you have the warranty, one on product registration, so you'll be getting around 2 years of warranty for it. So when you register, and it comes with USB type C so that you can directly charge it, and this is how it's everything. And you can just pass it and check the manual if required. Yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah, it supports fast charging, but let me just check. You can check, this is a sticker. So guys, this is fast charge on top, and on the back we have wireless charging pad, 9 volt 2 amperes, and you have USB type C. And I ordered MI fast charging. Actually I just have Realme charging brick, which is of normal standard charging brick, but I'll be testing with that also. So guys, this is how it is, and you get a good cable with it. You can check it, it's wide, actually it's wide enough of 1 meter, and you can clearly check. You just have to insert it here, and you just have to insert it here, and that's it, it's done. So this is how it is. So let me just open this also, so that it is just a rubber pad, so it will not slip. And yeah, so you can check it, so it will not slip. Actually I'm just trying to push it, but it is not slipping it. That's great because of this rubber pad. Break over here, you can check it, the power is on here. So let me just test it with it. So it's okay. The problem with the phone is, actually this is very slippery, so that's the reason it is just slipping down. So it is getting charged, clearly you can check it. So guys, you can clearly check it's getting charged. Now let me just test with the case cover which I attached with, which comes with the mobile phone. And so it is getting charged now. That's also great. Let me just attach this second screen dual display, and let me test whether it's working fine or not here. And you can check it, it's working here, and it is working. So let me just keep this aside, and yes, so it started charging actually. So let me just close it, and you can clearly check. So when I open here on top, we have, there's no charging icon present here, but when I keep it here, so it's working perfectly. So yeah guys, so it's working with this case, and with the dual screen case, as well as the single screen case, as well as without any case also. So yeah, I definitely recommend this product for purchasing, and the best buy links will be present in the description below. So you can purchase from there. I'll be providing you the charger and charging pad also, and there is no shock like that with it, and it supports fast charging even. So yeah guys, so it's around 1000 rupees. You can purchase it, it's most affordable thing which you get it for here. So the reason why I purchased is, it's not required to connect some adapter or something while we are using double screen. And yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys, bye bye.